Hi everyone, welcome to this Back to Basics video where I'm going to show you how to make a simple shaker card using a topper from our Christmas Blockbuster and our Christmas Assortments Diamond Sparkles Glitter and Sequins. To make this card, you're going to need the Festive Fun Frosted Fun and Furry Topper Set, cardstock, Rainbow Mirri, an A5 card blank, some Snowfall acetate, some of our shaker foam roll, we've got some red tape, some scissors and those sequins from our assortment. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I'm just going to make the backings for my card. So I've got a piece of Rainbow Mirri, which we're just going to mat and layer onto an A5 card blank. So I'm just going to take some double-sided tape and once stuck on top of each other, we'll add that straight onto our card blank. So sticking that onto the front of our card, now it's time for the fun bit to make our shaker. So just leaving that to one side, we're going to take our Snowfall acetate and I'm going to pick out my topper which we're going to use, which will be this large topper with the two borders. So first of all, I'm going to line up my my frames onto my acetate, and then we're just going to cut that out so you'll have a circle which fits the exact size of your topper. Then what we're going to do is just remove all of the frames from the topper and we're going to stick some red tape on the back of this first largest frame. So I like to use the thinnest one because you've got a lot of movability in here, which allows you to run this whole tape across the full size of your frame. So this is just going to stick the acetate onto the back of our topper to create that little window that we need. So don't worry about making sure that it's all stuck and there's no gaps, because that bit will come later. So I'm just going to remove that tape now and stick this directly over our acetate circle that we created. So this is going to be our little window. Now taking our shaker foam roll, which is slightly taller than our foam pads, I'm just going to open that up. I'm going to take my roll, and now this is the important bit where you don't want any gaps. So I'm going to go around halfway on my frame here, and again just using this to maneuver it around like so. And we don't want to have any gaps when we do this, because this is where our sequins are going to be housed. So you just need to make sure that they either match up straight away, or sometimes I like to just go slightly over from where I started, and then I know that there's going to be no gaps when we add the sequins in. So I'm just going to take off our backing, and then we'll pop this just to one side for a moment, like so. Then bringing back in my card blank, what I want to do is make sure that this is going to be in the center of my card, and then we're going to add in our element just like so. So I'm going to add some tape quickly to the back of here, And I am going to stick both of my frame and my topper down together because you need them to be nice and flat so you've got lots of space for your elements to move about. So now just removing that double-sided tape, or you could use glue here. We're going to just peel back those backings, and then I'm going to bring in this frame again just to hold it above to make sure that I get my topper in the right place before we stick it down. Just moving that up slightly so it's straight. And then we can press that down. And then what I like to do is put all of my sequin elements in the center of my frame, like so. It's up to you how many shaker bits you put in. I'm just going to remove some slightly so we've got enough movement in our card. So making sure that all of your sequins or your glitter that you're going to use is in the center of that element. Now we can take our topper with our foam roll on, place that in the center and make sure you're pushing down on all of those areas so those sequins don't escape. And then to just finish off the card, I'm going to add our topper. I'm going to add a sentiment, just to the bottom, which says "Barest Wishes." And then you can move your elements about and you've got that fun shaker in the center of your card, which is great for all your cards that you're going to be sending out to younger children because it just makes them a lot more fun.